Hello friends, this video is on physical coaching videos session. In order to receive the videos and all those things, I request to everyone to subscribe our YouTube video channel as well as press on the click bell icon so that you could receive all the updates that we are doing the uploading from our site. Okay, now those who want to get enrolled in our paid course also could call us. Our number is given on the board. This number is 4 times 9685127. Another number is 78275 Let us start the video session. Okay, so this video is on JAIIB Principles and Practices of Banking, unit number 1 of Indian Financial System, part number 2. Okay, so this is the thing. So let us start this thing. So point number 4, it says non-banking financial companies, NBFC. So what is NBFC? So NBFC is just like a bank only. It also accepts money from the public. What it does, it accepts money from the public and at the same time it gives money, okay, or it lends money, or it provides a loan through various instruments like of leasing, hire purchase, bill discounting. And in order to start this NBFC company, that is non-banking financial companies, you require to have a valid license which is granted from the RBI only. Okay, you must have a valid license which is granted from the RBI side only. First point is that of primary dealers. So what is basically primary dealers? So primary dealers are those who are dealing with the government securities. Okay, and also primary dealers deal in the you could say primary market as well as the secondary market. Primary dealer acts as a, you could say, money maker. What does it? Primary dealer acts as a what? Money maker. For whom money maker it is? It is money maker, also not money maker, we could say market maker. Primary dealer acts as a market maker for whom? Government securities. Okay, so by the help of this only, government securities come into the action. Now point number 6 is that of financial institution, or FI. So FI basically deals with the financial transaction. Point to be noted. FI basically deals with the financial transaction, and of course FI is financial institution, so of course it's dealing with the financial transaction only. Like that of instruments, like that of investments, it gives loans, it takes deposits. Okay, also financial institution provides long-term loan for agriculture as well as for industries. It is covered under the RBI only. It is covered under the RBI surveillance. That means RBI is looking into it. So it requires reporting to be done to the RBI. So RBI is having a supervision on it. Okay, and it raises money also. Financial institution raises money through long-term bonds and borrowings. It also takes the borrowing. That means it takes money from the international financial